Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you about the weight blocks robotics kit which my daughter so enjoyed it. It is appropriate for the age group of 8 plus and she has got the robotic car and the study lamp. So first she's creating the robotic car. The pieces are all there along with the connector, batteries, everything is there. You just need to download the robotics learning app and you can get started. The video takes you to the journey and takes you step by step so that you can make it all by yourself. And it is fun to see how they are thinking, snapping and building their own stuff. Look at the working model. It is fun to see how this model works. Now comes the second one, which is the smart study lamp. It is smart because you can build an emergency study lamp which can be used at night, and this built up a sunrise alarm which can be used in the morning. So that is super interesting. I love the enthusiasm. I can see lot of concentration with this girl and she's so engrossed. I can so enjoy the way she's having fun and just not getting up from her place and continuously doing it. Thank you, With Blocks, for sending us this amazing kit.